Are you recording?
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Hey everyone, I'm Mark, Zuckerberg Mark. I invented something you will love. I did it for my wife, who I love.
I love you too, Zucky.
Of course you do, babe.
I love him too. Mwah. Wanna know why? 'Cause he made this for us. Let me tell you what this is. Remember you waking up in the middle of the night when you shouldn't? And then you want to figure out if you should? But then you figured out that you shouldn't. Then you want to go back to sleep. And then you can't go back to sleep. To solve this problem for his wife, Mark created the sleep box, which is not meant to wake you up, but actually to put you back to sleep. Here's how. When you slightly open your eyes and you're about to wake up, you see the sleep box is not glowing yet, and you know that it's not time to wake up. So you go back to sleep with ease. And since you don't know the exact time, the stress will not get to you. Next time you open your eyes, you see that faint light of the sleep box, and you know that it's time to wake up. And you get up calmly and stress-free. Mark challenged entrepreneurs around the world to produce this product, for not only his wife will enjoy the sleep box, but it can also guarantee every mom's peaceful sleep. We accepted that challenge and created the greatest sleep box ever. Meet Zucklight. We've created Zucklight and a cool app to control it. With the app, you can turn the light off and on, change the color, set the brightness, and what's most important, you can set the exact time for Zucklight to do its magic. For example, you can set Zucklight to start glowing green at 6 a.m. and slowly change its color to red by 7 a.m. So you'll know there's no more time for snoozing. It's time to wake up now. And on top of that, literally on top of it, we put in a wireless charger. Thanks to our experienced engineers, we managed to bring this awesome product to life in just 3 weeks. Now we're ready to start manufacturing, but for this, we need your support. So back Zucklight now to get the best possible deal. And treat your better half like a self-made billionaire. Zucklight, a sleep every mom deserves.
Introducing the Monster X, the most powerful and portable power station you can bring with you wherever you go. With the Monster X, you can plug and charge the devices that used to be charged on a wall outlet. But now, you can take the outlet with you. The Monster X support to charge input and output at the same time. With 2 USB ports and 1 Type-C port, you can easily charge up to 5 devices at the same time. On the top of the Monster X, there is a 10-watt wireless charging panel. Just put on your phone and it starts charging. There is a Type-C port and a micro USB port that can charge the Monster X. You can always find the right cable to charge it. With two USB 3.0 ports, you can plug in all kinds of devices and charge them. The speed of its power output is up to 1000. The Monster X can adjust and set up the electric current to reach the maximum speed of charging, and it will never overheat. The Monster X is also small and portable. Simply take it with you and you will never run out of power. Monster X. Charge anything you need.